Hello, it's back in Chaseys Budgies. These are the pairs that I've put together, just thought you might be interested. This is my favourite green. Again, gone a bit mad. Anyway, I was quite pleased with him, bred him 2 years ago. And then we come along the second pairing. I have to get on and off this blinking stool, otherwise you won't see anything. That's a cockbird that I got from Rodney a couple of years ago. Very, very nice. Given me some nice youngsters. And that's one of my hens. We try to make sure that every pairing that we've got includes one of my birds, whether it be a cock or a hen, just so that I know that I've got individual birds and not just breeding for somebody else. Quite like that little pair, nice. For those who have seen the opaline line, the opaline thread, that's the two green opalines again. Then we'll come down to a couple of grey greens. It's obviously going to give me grey greens, which is my most or least favourite colour. But you've got to have grey greens to get size, as we all know. Anyway, they're getting a bit scatty. Again, going on to the opalines, there on the opaline thread. Now another pairing, grey green in the sky. Rather nice that. He's usually got a bigger blow than that. He's just not doing it at the minute. That's a bit stressed. And the sky is from Dave Randall. So thanks for that, Dave. On to another pairing, normal green, normal sky. Decided to hide behind the seed pot. So I'm not going to scare them. And, oh, here we go. We'll forget that. Here we've got sky and a grey green again. Right. Sorry about the jerky movements. This is a nice pairing. Whoops, the perch has gone. Nice opaline green there. And a normal sky that's disappeared behind the pot. There we go. Another opaline, hen that time, and with and both grey green. So guess what colour I'm going to get out of that? Come on. No, not behaving. So yeah, that's another pair, and the final pair of greens. I love normal greens. So we've got a pair there. Again, not behaving very well. pointless. Okay, so that'll do. Cheers.